Oh, using my finger. I'm not
We're
agreed to
going
that.
there. Woo! Oh, we're in the Iceland.
Iceland.
Behind is
More
so
rope.
much snow.
Mawalking now.
So maglalakad kami ngayon sa bundok. At baka kami ay may mahuling baboy damo. Dahil wala na kaming pang ulam. Kaya we're going to hunt pig.
No, deer. Deer.
A deer. Okay, deer daw para
There
maiba
are no
naman.
wild pigs here.
Para maiba naman ang ulam namin.
Hindi.
Hindi. So ito yung daan. Kaya may mga tunay na Christmas tree. Yeah.
Magpunta tayo sa Chinese
You know
restaurant
what?
mamaya.
My dream before is to have a big Christmas tree in the house.
This
But
big?
then, now I'm in front of the real big Christmas tree. I wish I could just bring you guys.
You will have one Christmas Day with my parents. They have big one. Especially if you come, then Papa will buy big one.
Big one.
Here.
Next time.
No, this time.
This time.
This year, yes. At my parents' house.
Okay. So, medyo nararamdaman ko ang lamig. What's the degree now, babe?
3.
3.
3, yes.
Okay. Warm. Warm pa daw yun, guys. So, pag mga 10 na yun, dyan na ako maglakad. Tigas na ako.
He's running like penguin.
Yes. Nope. Stop and I will do the front. Guys, ganito mag-exercise dito.
This is the garden
Hindi.
from the hospital.
The garden?
Yes, we make it landscape for the whole hospital.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's car.
Survivor.
Wala na mga dahon. Nanlagas na sila. Sayang. Hindi natin naabutan. So mga sanga na may kaunting yung dahon. Uy, nakakahingal naman. Buti na lang, nag-gloves ako. Mahirap ipampindot na sa riba. Take me
Und das
video
nose
pa.
ilan?
Right?
Babe. So,
Smell.
it's gasoline.
Oh my God, don't throw me in this truck.
Go there now.
Or go up. Hanapin niyo ako pag hindi na ako nakabalik. Sinabit na ako ni Christian din sa puno. Yeah. Ito yung nabasa ng dahon. Ay. Mga troso. Yan. Dito kami sa taas. Yan. Mapatakin tayo. Maputik. Naku, ang sapatos ko. It's muddy here. Oh, ayan na. Saan niya ako dadalhin? Christian, I love my life. Please, don't push me. I will behave. Oh my God, may lobo dito. Ayoko dyan. Ha?
It's a fox.
Fox?
Fox.
I'm scared. Ang Diyos ko po, may fox pala din eh.
They're avoiding women.
Swiper, no swiper. They are what?
They're avoiding women, humans.
Really?
Yes.
How are you so sure?
Because I see many of them and they run away. always this year.
Ang tugis na yan pag ako hinabol din ng fox. So I for no sorry. Ay, hindi ako makakakit sa puno, madulas. Ay, puwit ng kabayo. Ito is so chill lang. You're walking here always?
Yes.
So no, you never
Usually-
encounter packs.
Usually I run here. I run
Yeah? You don't encounter packs here?
down there when we woke up. Encountered them.
Huh?
When we woke up on the
When you...
beginning, in the very beginning, I encountered the fox.
And what you did?
That's why I tried to follow him, but he's running away.
Oh my god.
I chased him. Fox.
I hope I'm not lucky enough today not to encounter them. Only deer.
Oh, that's sweet. We're not noisy, maybe we see a deer.
Hey. No, they will not come here. See? You hear that bomb?
Bump?
Yes.
Yes, that's construction site up
So,
there.
you
was
get
feeling
scared to
a
come
little-
here.
Good luck.
Pakiramdam ko nasa ako'y nasa isang horror movies. Okay. Pull me, pull me, pull me. Picture muna tayo. Okay guys, tumutulo na yung uhog ko. Buti na lang may gloves ako. Oh, hindi na siya guwantes. May gloves ako. Pang-cover ng keme. Pamahid din na si Juan. Yeah. So, yan na siya. Hello po! May tao ba dyan? Hello? So, nasa na kaya kami? Malayo yata. Ako yata ililigaw na ni Christian. Kailangan ko amuin ang daan para alam ko pabalik, pauwi. Kabaliw pala din eh. Para laang akong nasa kanluran ng mga tatay. Uy, nakakita ako ng snow dun. Ang daming snow dun. Hingal na ako sa lamig. I saw the snow over there. Will that go there?
This direction.
Ano? Yung ano? Ang lawak naman ng lupain mo, Christian. You're so rich. Your land is very, very big. Guys,
There we go.
na-enjoy ko yung papunta. Ayan pa uwi. Paano ko uwi na rin? I enjoy going there and up. How about when we go home? I'm tired.
You're tired? What, from walking 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
Yes. So we need to work out more. It's like very tired from this.
Tukko!
No, no tukku here.
Tukko! No, tukko.
Wala tukku sa Austria. But you have the woodpecker.
What?
You have the woodpecker here.
Yeah. Woodpecker. Alam ko yun. Tagabutas yun ng puno.
Uh-oh.
Ayan.
Last time I had
Oh,
some
there's
here.
a house there.
Bono.
Oh, I want to take picture in the red. Yes. This is stuff. Okay, you can. Okay guys, uwi na kami eh. Wala kami nahuling baboy damo. So,
Wala pa po eh.
walang baboy.
Here.
Pagod na yung pisngi ko, malamig na. Oh my god.
Huh?
Ang lamig ng pisngi ko. My cheeks are so cold.
Malamig.
Yes, and
Malamig na malamig.
yes. So, we're going home. Mamaya kami aakyat naman. So,
You got bored, slippery man.
yes, slippery. Slippery. Madulas siya. Kailangan tayo sa ano. So, bye-bye. Ino kami. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you again. Bye-bye.
mal ausgedacht, wurde jetzt mittlerweile Personal her. Aber würde ich gerne dorthin gehen, weil die Jess hat auch gerne Buffet. Und ja, sehr cool auf jeden Fall.
Haus.
Mit anderen Trinken und das zusammenbringen. Und
Und so kids do. Snow, yes, yes, yes. Kala mo ba? Okay guys, nandito kami sa akyatan at kailangan natin ilabas ang ating pagkaunggoy. Yes, I know, I can see you. Diyan po si Christian. Umaakyat. Yeah? So if I reach like that, means I'm good. Kinda. Aha. So ganun daw guys. Pag nagawa ko daw yun, isa na akong ganap na unggoy.
now it's me. I will film her now. Let's go, Po. Yes. No, this not the yellow one only. Yes. Yes, babe. Why you film like this, babe? Yes, go, babe. Go, babe. Yes. Come on, Jan. One to go. Yes. Both hands. Both hands. Both hands, babe. Touch with both hands. The top. Yes. And back down. You can jump if you want. It's fine. Just jump. It's okay. Yes, Bo, very good. Yeah, but can't you do it? Oh wow, that would be so good. Good.
Which one? Isa na akong ganap na unggoy talaga. Dahil pa ng unggoy dito guys. So try naman na. Which one?
Wait. Yes. Try. This is the normal. This is the start. That's the part. Yes. Use this. Okay. Yes, very nice. Yeah. Very good. Let's see. Alexa. Go, babe. If you don't copy, you can do it. Okay, very good. Okay. Yes, babe, don't give up. Yes, babe, come. Yes. Nice, good swap. almost there. Both hands.
Where?
On the last one, where you have the right hand. Match, yes. Like this, that's correct. Yes, babe, you did it. Wow. Yes, a big jump. Yes, just soft. Just, it's soft. It's good training.
I'm tired.
Yes.
Oh my god. I don't like it now.
The first time that you scored is strenuous.
Let's go home. Let's go home. Nakapagod. Ang sakit sa buto-buto. It's hurt my muscle.
Yes, it's sport bit.
Careful. Oh, Spider-Man.
Okay. I'm warmed up.
My muscle.
It's pumped
Yeah.
already?
Yes.
Good job, babe. Really good. Take rest, it's no hurry.
See, it's my muscle. Here.
Yeah. I know how it feels.
Oh my god. My
Yes.
muscle's pumping. Oh.